Good day, YouTube. This is Lance from Bury TV. So, for some reason, we got major traction on one of our videos, and it's a Minecraft costume video that has about 56,000 views, and our membership has shot up to about 260 subs. So, thank you for everybody who's subscribed. We appreciate that. We think the reason why everybody is here is because they want to get more information on that Minecraft armor. So this video is going to be primarily on that. We pulled it out of storage, so it's a little beaten up. It's about maybe 8 years old. So it's an old costume, but it's held up pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it right now. So these are all the components of that costume, which is now in yellow because in year 2 it got transformed into a Terraria character. And this was the helmet that we used for Terraria. So we made that. Now let's talk about our build here. So we have the Minecraft head, which we got from a template online, and we cut out the pieces just on regular paper and then glued it to a box, a square box. This is just cardboard. And then I created a separate piece for it on top, which we've lost the sides and the top, but it was a separate helmet that slid over the top of this and went over the eye slots. So it was a working helmet. And so that was the head part of it. And again, it's just a simple template we got and we blew up to fit the box that we had created. And then all the rest of this was done with foam core. And so we created this in sections. And so we had the front, side, and back sections of the main body here, which I had to relabel. So the front began the back, and so I labeled it with a B. And then we had the arm slits on either side. And then for access to get in and out, we have put magnets in here to attach. But the magnets weren't strong enough. The magnets weren't really holding on. And we tried running laces on it. It was just too hard to lace and unlace. And in the end, we just went ahead and put a strip of Velcro in there. And so you can just easily take it apart, get into the costume, and then put it back together, and then there's no seams in the front. So that was the body build. And then on the arms, these were separate pieces that we had just cut out into squares. And then I have a bunch of tape on here now to hold it, but originally it was held in by glue. So we used rubber cement in the entire build, with a couple of extra foam core pieces on the inside to kind of act like straps to hold them up. Why do I have to tape it, Xander?
Because when I was using it, it kind of broke off.
Kind of broke. We used it up until last year, huh? So this has gotten a lot of use. So the idea is that the arms would be free to move up and down with them in the costume. And then these arm pieces were separate. And so the arm pieces went in with Velcro here, here, and up here. And then as they slid their arm into it, we took a shirt and then we glued the shirt between the two pieces, the arm piece at the top, which glued to the shoulder, and the arm piece at the bottom, which their arms went into, their hands went into. No, that's the right one.
It's back.
No,
it's probably backwards.
It's not backwards. This is right. Put your arm through it.
No, but like...
Go ahead and put your arm through
it.
Put your arm through it. You did it that way too. It goes either way. And then these slots here that we built,
they look like
were cut out to fit
the pickaxe.
The pickaxe, which we don't have. So
it's in my room.
The pickaxe goes inside here so they can hold on to it.
The pickaxe is also kind of worn out.
And then it gave them freedom to move their arms. So go ahead and move your arm. Yep. And to move
around.
around.
As seen in the other video, like this.
Yes, as AJ was demonstrating in the other video. So, go and put your arm back in.
Sir.
AJ just do it. So, here, go ahead and put your arm in it. We're going to have Xander put his arm into it. And then this slides inside like so.
The pickaxe is also worn out.
So there you go.
Yeah.
And then put your hand on it. Hold on to it.
There's
It's okay.
weird stuff
It's
on.
okay. Just hold on to it.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. There you go. So it went to the top and the bottom. All right. So we had a little bit of the difficulties there. Let's talk about the hands. So the hands are just made out of the matting that you get at hardware stores. This is for like workshop mats. And so we cut that up and just glued it all together again with the rubber cement. And then when we spray painted it, we also spray painted the shirt so that it would blend together and allow them to have a bending arm and then access to hold stuff in their hands for that. So it's a little too small for me, but that's the general.
Sadly, though, it seems like the shirt has been cursed by paint chipping.
Well, it was. It's fabric. It wasn't really meant to be painted this way. It probably should have put spray paint or fabric paint on it, but we were doing this just for a Halloween costume, and it was what we had to work with. So then we just went ahead and painted through the illusion of the texturing on the hand. And then if you saw the original video, we had this as blue for the Minecraft gold diamond armor. And then hand me the yellow one there, the yellow helmet. And then when we made the Terraria helmet, we made this off of just a regular helmet mold that we found online. And then the character that we built it or based it on had the little wings on the thing, so
There was
we added
also
those to it.
there was also a smaller one that I was allowed to keep, but I don't know where it is now.
You had the one that was the
Gray,
gray one.
but it didn't have the wings on the side of it.
No, it was just a standard gray helmet. So there you go. So that's our Minecraft build. If you guys would like more information, you can message us and we can help you out if you're planning to make this for a costume. The whole build took probably about 2 weeks to do. And again, it's gone through some changes through the years, but I wanted to give you guys an update on this because it seemed like people were interested in this build. So thanks for watching. This is Xander showing off the helmet. Turn around. Slowly. Okay, turn back. Good. Okay. Good fit. Nice. Still works. You may pull it out for this year. Who knows?